thumbs up.
Say thank you. Thank you.
You are absolutely welcome, my friend. That's for you, sweetie. I figured you are. All right. Can I get a high five now? All right. Thank you.
That's my name.
Can we get a picture? Can we get a picture? No? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Merry Christmas. Be a good girl, okay? You're welcome. You're totally welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Thank
Merry
you.
And
Christmas.
obviously you guys got the picture, right?
Yes,
the door.
good enough. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Take care, Santa. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hold on, Steve.
I like my present. It has my name on it.
Wait, stay beside Winnie.